Hello guys and welcome to my Cry of Fear Let's Play. In today's video we're just going to be continuing Cry of Fear. Right, good. I had a bit of trouble recording it earlier. My controls got inverted for some reason. Right, what was I doing again? Oh wait, in here. Where was I going again? I'm trying to remember. I think I had to go down here. Wait. Basement key, alright, right. Oh, you fucking bitch! Oh. Move, cow! Yeah, that's what I thought, bitch. Stupid cow. Everything looks so much more fecked up now. Ah, you fucking saggy bitch! Fucking bitch! I'm gonna end up getting demonetized. Well, not demonetized, bloody banned off YouTube if I keep swearing like that. Fucking hell. Oh, and then I swear again. Right. Go through here. Is this a room I can save in? Is there a save? You! Stop it! You are my most... I hate you so much! Stupid cow. There was no point in me going in there. I hate them so much. They just creep me out, and enough as it is. Right. Someone there. Oh yeah, I remember you. You look like the guy from Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Fuck. Right, I need to start saving ammo. Right, no more. Start using the knife. Right. Now let's see what we got here. Oh, fuck off! No, not you! Anything but you! Fuck, not these things. Forgot about you. Wait, why are you putting... Where the fuck is it? Die, you bitch! Wait, she's dead. You're one fucking fugly bastard. Ah, yes, some good old heroin. Always helps. through here. You be cum stain, get fucking out of here. Ow! You bastard! Alright, shoot me up. Oh, yeah. Right, that's probably going into somewhere I've already been. Let's... Yes, mag. Much ammo do I have? 3 bullets. Right, nice. God, I'm really low on resources. Right, where have I got to go? I think it's floor 2, if I am not mistaken. Now let's go. Get me through there. Up to the 3rd floor we go. Oh wait, no I don't. No wait, I don't go this way. I go other way, don't I? So I need to go into one of these rooms if I'm not mistaken. There's a window or something I need to go out. No wait, actually I think I do need to go up to the 3rd floor that way. Unless I'm being an absolute fucking idiot and ah, here we go, here we go. Right. You've not got a video player. Through here, if I'm not mistaken. Nope. It's one of these rooms, I'll get it. Oh, I want that. I'll go back and get that. Because I want that clipazine. I know how to get to it anyway. Here's a video player. What? Are you serious? Where the fuck is the video player? Is it this one? No. What one is it again? Oh, I'm being stupid and just know it must be in the 4th floor. Can I go on the elevator? No. Right, one minute. I'm being stupid. Wait, why did I just... No, wait, I need to go down there. Can I go down... Oh, fuck, I can't go down the rope. I thought you could go down the rope. Right, I'm being stupid. 1 minute. Sorry, guys, I'm just being a bit stupid. I forget where I'm going sometimes. I think it's this door I go through. Right. Through to here. Wait a minute, actually. Let's go. I must have been so stupid. Cause I am a retard! Oh, from that, what the feck is it? Maybe it's in here. Aha! There it is, there it is. I remember this. This is the kiddie fiddler right here. The one that's bald. Stop touching him. You be nice. Oh, he's gonna give him a haircut. Look, watch. He's giving him a haircut. See, he gave him a haircut. Just a wee short sides and back right there. What a nice guy. 1719. Right. 1719. Right, I've seen it. Right, I don't. Hello, head. 1719. 1719. Wait, actually, is there a save station in there? Is there? No, there's not. 1719, 1719. I've got really bad memory, that's why I keep saying it. 1719. Is there a save point? No, there's not. 1719. Right, first thing first, I'm going to get this ammo clip before I forget about it. Yes, I hear you banging on the door. I'm not going to let you. Hello, cat. My wee cat's here. I thought I was someone banging on my door for a second. I thought it'd change. Oh, 171. There we are. Alright, you bastard. I'm coming to get you. Oh yes, you'll see. You'll know what. Wait. What? 1779? Where's, how did I get my journal up? Notes. Oh, 7719. There we are. Let's do this. Here we go. Clip. I always found this game hard to see items on the ground. Our clip. This is. I wonder what's gonna happen. Oh, I already know what's gonna happen, but yeah. Well, I know what I'm going to fight. But you guys, you don't know what's gonna happen. Oh, there could be a jump scare coming up. Oh. So much ammo. And none of it's gonna get used. Wait, can I save the game, please? Alright, thank God. I didn't know if I could save the game. There we are, nice and saved. I feel invincible now because I saved the game. Could that be the psycho murderer? Oh, he got taller. I see he's also doing a Hellraiser cosplay. Oh, ha ha! Ha ha! I'm gonna stop. Oh no! Oh fuck, I forgot he cut you in half! Forgot about that. Right, this is gonna be difficult. Oh, am I gonna need to watch this cutscene every time? Am I just like fucking light him up or something? Can I skip this? No, I can't. Oh yeah, I can. Right, let's do this. Oh man, I need to get my stamina back. The chainsaw sounds all messed up. Come on! Oh, my cat wants fed. Well, I'll feed you after this. Let's get my stamina back. Get him. Oh fuck. Ah, you bastard! Alright, I'm using my gun. Fuck this guy. I'll try and save some ammo at the end. Right, let's get this fecker. Alright, just kill me. I just messed up so much ammo. Fucking hell. Yeah, bosses can be a little bit bullshit in this. This is the easiest boss, but yeah, I'm not that good at this, so... Right, I know what to do. Gun him down and then knife him. If you go down, right, bitch. Come on. Yes! Got him. He chopped his head off. That's what he gets. No more head for you, bitch. And then I vomit and fall all over my vomit. God damn it. Oh, backstory? What could it mean?
Did I pass out?
Well, what do you think?
Huh? Who's that?
Relax. I am not one of
A
them.
very like-minded individual.
I'm nobody.
Very smart.
You shouldn't be here. It's very dangerous.
Wait.
This voice
Why
mat
are you
acting.
wearing a gas mask?
Are you stupid or something? Do I look like I want to turn into one of them? I can't trust you. I don't know if you're real. Just leave me alone.
See, what a nice guy.
What the?
Well, I'm probably gonna end it here. Oh, might have just fucked the alright, good. Well, if you liked that video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. May Larry's big bulging chin be with you always.